Hi everyone, welcome to a quick Tableau tutorial. So this is a question that most people suffer with in the beginning when they are working with especially worksheets, and say for example your boss or your manager asks you for row level data and Tableau likes to automatically aggregate and will often show you the field value once rather than repeatedly as someone may want. So I'll jump right into it and show you a quick example, and I'll use the Superstore dataset here. Sorry, don't save any of my changes here. I'm just gonna open up a fresh one. Alright, I'm just gonna ignore all this and we'll jump straight to having a worksheet. So let's say we have a worksheet, and in it you are asked to put let's say, sorry, let's put some location, let's put some product, let's do segment, and could even do ship mode. Alright, so you have what you have here, and of course if you export this it'll look like this, right? But what if you want, for example, this Canada to show on each of the rows of this worksheet? Or same thing with the category. What if you want the furniture on each of the row? You want to see the data. You don't need to see it summed up or basically too much blank space, right? You want it to kind of look like how a very detailed Excel sheet would. Basically, you're looking for row level data. So one thing to really quickly do this, and it's kind of a shortcut, is to create a calculated field by going to create calculated field, and we're just going to name that, just going to name that index, and the calculation that it gets is index and then the brackets, and you can press OK. It has to be a discrete, so we're going to convert to discrete, and we're just going to drag that up here, and I like to keep it in the first row. So as you can see, as soon as I brought it in, it immediately turned everything into row level data, which can be very useful in some cases. Sometimes you need to investigate something. I've had cases where money values were not adding up, and to get into the row level data, an executive asked me to provide them with this, basically, and it has its uses. So if you, for example, if you've done this and in the steps so far it did not do what you wanted to do, meaning it was not row level data yet, then what you likely missed was, if you go over here and then go to edit table calculation, and yeah, so for example what you could do is pick specific dimensions and then pick which fields you want the row level data on. So we can remove country, for example, and you can see then there you go, the magic. And yeah, it's a pretty simple, pretty useful tool. If you have any questions, let me know. Alright, thank you. Sorry, actually one more thing forgot to mention. You probably, if you want to export this or something, you may not want to see this, so you can always just press here and show a header. You can uncheck it, and there you go, you still have what you need while the index is hidden. Alright, thank you. And there are other ways to do this. There are other ways, probably better ways to do this. However, this is a quick little shortcut. Alright, thanks.